It's a town that till a few days back was known to be the heritage pride of Nepal, and today it lies in rubble, its history buried in a big pile. The ancient town just outside Kathmandu was a huge tourist attraction, and now its residents are trying to find the remains. The ancient town of Bhaktapur has lost its history along with all the business opportunities they had. Now, all these people that you see behind me are actually locals who have decided to take upon themselves to recover whatever little is left of the ancient monuments that gave Bhaktapur all that it had. Almost every street is now ravaged. Nepal's oldest town, Bhaktapur, is in need of food, water and blood. One volunteer group organized a blood donation camp to help their fellow citizens, many of whom are seriously injured. For residents of Bhaktapur, this camp is a way to give back to their town.
You can see what has happened to our town. So many people have died and so many are injured. It is essential that we give blood to save few lives that could be otherwise lost.
Government is doing work, but it's not enough. In Bhaktapur, we have so many houses which have dead bodies and they haven't been taken out.
In disaster zones, finding survivors after 72 hours is nothing short of a miracle. But disaster relief teams from countries around the world continue to go on with the rescue work on a war footing. They say there could still be survivors. Do you think in this particular case, there's still likelihood of survivors coming out?
It's still likely because the temperatures are not too extreme. In the evening it's not too cold, you can survive. It's not freezing cold. If there has been fallen rain, so perhaps the victims still have something to drink.
The glimmer of hope was seen in Kathmandu as teenager Pemba Tamang was pulled out of a wreckage of a 7-story building. Covered in dust, Pemba was welcomed with loud cheers. Even as there are stories of miracles, they are far and in between. But Kathmandu has started to crawl back to normalcy. Shweta Bajaj, CCTV, Kathmandu, Nepal.